It's the Auntie and
Michelle.
And today we have some
Fidgets
that we are going to be
toys.
Testing from Five Below.
This is all from Five Below.
This is from Target.
Yeah,
this
that's
the
not
only
from
thing from Target.
And this is from online, and this one.
Yes, Amazon.
These two.
We'll show you when we pick it up.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to start with first? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
And guys, I know my tongue is colorful because I ate icing.
Alright, so which one do you want to start with?
This one, because this is my favorite.
We're going to start with the globbles, and we got these from Amazon.
Yeah, and it came with all of the stuff that...
Okay, so we got some globbles.
Oh my goodness, they're so sticky. Here, they're so sticky. Are they gonna pop? They sound weird.
First fidget. Doesn't it make it feel like your hands are sticky?
Yeah. And it sticks to each other. And I'm gonna pick these.
Some globbles.
Wait, can I have those for a second? Feel it.
Yes, I will play with that all day.
Can I do it?
Do it to the ceiling and see if it comes down.
I'm scared it's gonna fall.
Let me do one. We're gonna throw it at the ceiling, you guys. We're gonna see if it comes down. Oh, snap.
Oh!
It's so hard because it won't come off your hand. I don't know. We'll try it after the video. Alright, hopefully it comes down.
Soon.
We threw it at the ceiling, you guys, and my head is right under it. Alright, so these are the globbles.
Sorry.
This is our first fidget.
It looks like it's about to come off. Don't let it hit your face.
I'm scared.
Let's get it your hair.
Alright, ready?
Okay. The next thing you're gonna pick. Are you gonna pick? Auntie, don't worry about that.
Okay, the next thing I'm picking is...
I'm just gonna play with this all day.
This Rubik's Cube, what we thought was a Rubik's Cube, but it's not.
It's not.
This we got from Five Below, but look what it does, you guys. It's not an actual Rubik's Cube. It just forms like one.
Auntie, I think it's about to fall. Look, it looks like it's about to fall. What's that noise?
This is one of my favorites so far. This one. Okay.
My favorite one is these because I can literally play with these all day.
What's the next one?
I cannot stop. Okay, my turn. Let's see. This one.
That one's cool. It has like little glitter.
You gotta like squeeze it like softly and hard because it'll easily pop.
Yeah.
And it has slime in it.
Glitter.
Your turn.
Okay, I am choosing this little cute little worm. Look at him. He's so cute. And you could push him like this. He collects hair very quickly. And you could pull his little strings. And you could stretch him out. You like that one?
Yeah, I like the noise.
Cool.
I like the noise.
Our globber still hasn't fallen from the ceiling,
Look.
guys.
Yeah, can you hear that, guys?
Yes, the noise is really good. Nice. Okay.
Sounds like it's about to pop though.
What's the next one?
I'm gonna do this then.
Look at this.
That's just like a balloon.
Big old head.
I'm gonna do this chicken thing with the egg.
It's really funny. Little egg.
The egg. I don't know if you can see the words. Oh, it came with plenty. Oh, it's hard.
How it looks.
Oh, it feels so hard, guys. You can't even.
Stretchy though. It looks like a tongue.
Yeah, I know. A tongue.
A long tongue. Or gum, right?
Yeah, gum too. But you can tell it's already hard to feel it. Look how hard it is.
Ooh.
Try and stretch it. It's so hard.
Yeah, it's really hard.
I used to have one of
And
these.
it's so small. I like doing it like smoothing it out. I don't know.
Auntie, it's your turn.
Got this one.
I know what I'm gonna pick next.
Put the tongue back in the egg. Come on now. Alright, next one. I'm gonna go with my childhood favorite. Collecting here. This is called a Slinky. This is so cute. And it's rainbow. This I could play with for hours.
Oh, it's about to fall.
Literally hours.
I could play with this for hours. 10 hours.
Say our favorite at the end. Here.
Okay.
Slinky.
Oh, I
used
don't
to do
see
this. I used to come. Well, this is not the big one. It used to slinky its way. Love it. Want it. Get it. Have it. Need it.
Oh, I almost fall.
I want it. I bought it.
Oh, this doesn't fall.
All right. What's your pick?
I'm gonna pick these.
We got some pea poppers.
And we saw a video where somebody actually put peas in them.
Yeah, on TikTok.
Yeah. We got two.
We got these pea poppers.
And
They're
they
like a
have
keychain.
face on them. Look, they have a face. See?
Very cool fidgets.
Show your face. Wait, is that the same face?
Where is it?
In the middle.
This chunk.
Yes.
Has
No, yours is
faces.
mad. Mine is, I think, nervous.
Looks
No,
like
mine.
a puppy.
Yeah, it looks like a puppy. And yours is mad, right?
These are so cute.
I can play with this all day.
Me too, literally.
I can play with all of them all day.
Literally.
At the same time, if I had the same amount of hands of these.
Okay, so it's my turn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the famous.
I was gonna pick that one, but
famous. What is this called? A fidget popper? Or pop it thing?
pop it. I was gonna pick that, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna pick this one. Cause
Are you guys ASMR? But yeah, this one, hold on, I'm gonna do it on the table.
can I try? When you're done.
Where's your fidgets? You brought them downstairs?
Now I have one up here.
So let me see it. We got another fidget, you guys. Maddie's fidget. We should do a fidget giveaway.
No, we need to do the fidget TikTok.
Yeah, we do. We're gonna do it after this. She has a butterfly fidget.
I have an apple one, but I don't know what it
Rainbow
is.
fidget.
I think the rainbow one is better.
Your turn.
My turn? Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna pick the silly putty.
The fartin' silly putty.
It farts a lot, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness. When you first take it out, it's like the most stretchiest part. And look how blue it is. Ooh, sorry.
That was a good catch. And you got it.
Yeah.
We might have to get
Look
a
at the
bird
color.
for that.
I know. Wait.
Cool, dude. It's so cool.
Okay.
Look at it.
It's so cool.
So thick. Watch. Hear the sound.
It's like so satisfying. It's satisfying, guys.
Okay. I'm going to.
Gotta be quiet because
I Okay, I'm going to pick this one.
I was gonna pick that one too, but I don't want it.
At Target, and you can actually let's see if it opens like a milk carton. Oh, that is the cutest. Want some milk? But then I guess
Can I pour it?
you're gonna help me, okay?
Can
Teamwork.
I pour it? Can I pour it?
Teamwork. It's not pouring. You gotta take it on the I'm gonna do the milk or the cherry.
I'm doing the milk.
Okay, so take the milk out. So wait, show them the bottle.
I need to take out the plastic.
So we got Cocoa Puffs, but it's called Cocoa Cuties. And it comes in a box like this. And they have different flavors.
Oh, you can smell it.
Mmm.
It smells like almost like marshmallows. It has a smelly face.
And these are the Cocoa Cuties.
I think those are big balls. Oh my goodness. It feels so soft.
Yeah. These actually look like Cocoa Puffs.
Oh my goodness, feel it. Oh my goodness, look how stretchy it is.
Oh my goodness.
It's stretchier than another one. It smells so good. It smells better in here.
Wait,
Smell.
what are these?
No, it's a cereal.
Look, they're like sticking to the thing.
Oh, because I think, smell it. It smells.
Oh man.
And it looks like it's literally
You guys
milk.
look.
It looks like sticky
Oh, these are
marshmallow.
like styrofoam balls.
What is that sound?
That's how styrofoam makes.
I'm gonna pour a little bit of milk in there.
Let me feel it.
Here.
This is so white. I love this color.
Oh my goodness, it literally just.
Look. It's whiter than you can see on camera, but
I need more milk.
it's so. Oh, I'm
that's
supposed to pour it. Snap.
It doesn't work.
Pour it.
Okay,
Now we're putting the Cheerios.
just pour it.
No. Put it in there in your hand.
Oh, the slime?
The blue part.
Sorry about that.
Wait for the giant in there.
Giant's over there. I'm gonna go pick them up before he comes. You can feel it first.
It is so cool. Look, we put the little. I hope they stay in there.
Yeah, I hope
We
that.
put them in there.
Can I see? Can I feel? It's kind of sticky.
That is so cool. They had Fruit Loops and they had like Fruity Pebbles. I
No,
think.
can you get the Fruity Pebbles?
They didn't have it. They only had that one and the Fruit Loops one.
Can you get the Fruity
Oh,
Pebbles?
and it comes in a spoon.
Oh, yeah, spit in the bowl. No,
Put it in a cup.
no, they're in there.
It doesn't fit in there.
Put a little bit.
Is that what that's for?
Yeah. You can feel the
Put it on
slime.
here.
Oh!
That is so cute.
You want to do a thumbnail?
Cereal in there.
You want to do a thumbnail?
I want to put mine in here.
Oh my goodness, look guys. Oh my goodness, it's moving like real milk, but it's just stretchy. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, definitely don't put the things on the wall. Just put them on the wall that you can reach. Yeah. Put it.
We got one more fidget for you guys, and Maddie's gonna open it.
Where is it?
That one.
Where did you open this yet?
Oh yeah, we got two more fidgets. So you're gonna do that one.
Can we keep the bowl? I'm gonna pick this one, but I want her to do this one first. No, I can. I'm just. We're gonna do which one is our favorite?
Yeah, at the end.
How many can we pick? Cause our favorite.
We're gonna do top 2 best favorites.
So 2, and then we're gonna start off. And then we're gonna start off with 3 again.
Look at this one, you guys. It got like little. I love this one. It has little Jello cubes. They're not real, but look at the. Look at the colors.
Yeah, it's so cool.
If they had a yellow in here, it would.
Oh, that'd be so cool. No, they had a purple one, like an orange one. I was like, should I get that one? I was like, no. I was like, should I get there was orange one too. Oh, that feels so good.
So good.
Yeah.
And we got one more.
No, you already did that.
I'm just playing with it.
Oh. I thought you were talking about
One more fidget, you guys. We got this Kiwi Crush slime. Look at the color. It looks darker, but in the camera it looks lighter. Let me see. And it comes with box. I don't like when they do stuff like this to where you can't open it.
Hey,
What is this?
I don't know. I had the pink one of these. And it really comes right off the this part.
Now my foot's laughing.
How's your foot laughing? Oh, it feels
like a funny bone. We got some. It don't say what it is, but it looks like kinetic sand.
No, it's probably clay.
This is not clay. It's that sand stuff. We got a little cherry.
Oh, put that in the slime. You don't roll away.
And we got these little white beads.
Put them. No, those roll around all over the place.
I know, they're so messy, so you just want to use that.
Can we use that too?
You just said it. Here, give me the scissors so I can cut a little hole.
Look, guys. It's so stretchy.
Let me feel it. Oh, that feels so good.
You want to
put that in there?
Yeah. To make it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm just gonna put it in here.
Yeah, put a little of these in there.
No, put all of them.
Okay. Ooh.
Try and put the most in there. So all of them gonna come out this way.
Some of them are sticking to the bag.
I know which one is my favorite now.
That's good.
Auntie, do you know which one is your favorite?
Yeah, we're gonna say it at the end.
Yeah, no, it's mine. Which one?
You gonna mix that in first, then put that in, or put that in now?
Put that in there now. You recording?
Mm-hmm. It looks like the earth.
I know, right?
That one's cool.
Yeah.
I like the color.
Me too, but
It's giving me like Hulk, like.
Well, but when we.
Here, let me see a piece. You see a piece. Let's stretch it. Ready? Go.
Look at the cherry. He's hanging out right there.
Poor little cherry. He's like, why you suffocate me?
Like it's turned purple now.
Ice cream with a cherry on top.
Okay, guys, time for picking our favorite one.
And the cutest thing about this is it comes with a little straw.
Yeah. And you could take it out. Yeah, you could take it out too. See?
Oh, yeah.
Let me do a thumbnail. Hey, I'm gonna do a thumbnail.
Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna pick our favorite fidgets.
Hold up. I don't need this.
We're gonna pick our 2 favorite. And then we are going to be doing fidget training in the next video, or we're going to do it on our TikTok. So make sure you guys
Can we do it on our TikTok?
follow our TikTok at Auntie's Mini Mart. Ready?
Yeah. So you pick yours first.
No, at the same time. 1, 2, 3. In the middle of the table. Ready? 1, 2, 3 in the middle of the table. This is my first favorite.
This is my first favorite.
Love it, love it, love it.
We might have to get a broom for
that glower did not come off the roof, you guys.
Yeah.
But it's still fun to squish.
No, this one's my favorite. I don't know why this one
is so cute.
No, Auntie, I don't know why this one's your favorite though. It says this is like so cool.
Oh my gosh, look. It's like a little box. Okay. Our next favorite fidget. I guess we could do all of them and then just say which one's our favorite. Our next favorite fidget, pick it up. I love this one.
I like this one.
Squishy Cube Slime.
And I think I'm gonna cut off the black part.
Okay, our next favorite fidget.
You can pick mine if you want to.
You can pick mine if you want to.
Yeah, I know which one I'm picking.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's my third favorite.
This is my third favorite too.
It's so cute. It actually looks like there's real milk in cereal.
But it's overfilled.
I know.
You have to take some out and throw it out.
Throw it out.
Wait, you put it in the bowl.
Alright guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for our fidget trading video on TikTok.
And we're gonna do this just after the
After this video, yes. So, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!